Hi, I'm Lisa in Massachusetts, in windy Massachusetts, and I just was in the store and outside, and that's why my hair is all windblown. But anyways, I am a global CEO with OnlineBusinessApp, which is owned by Vincent Ortega Jr. and Nick Anderson. And you're wondering, what's a global CEO? I'll tell you, a global CEO means that not only am I an affiliate earning 25% commissions, lifetime commissions on all referred purchases on our marketplace of over 1,000 items and our all-in-one website builder and email broadcasting system. It also means that I get leads that are rotated to me on top of my own leads that I get just by talking to people about the business and the products and inviting people to our Saturday webinars. But a global CEO, the benefit is that all of the leads that go to general ads and sales videos and any of Nick and Vincent's links goes into a rotator. And those leads, they don't take the leads, they don't take commissions. What business owner does that? Instead, they distribute them randomly through the rotator to us global CEOs. Now, is that awesome or what? That's a legit, awesome, heart-centered business that I'm a part of. So if you're looking for a way to make money online that's legitimate, that is generous, that is transparent, and has the best, most supportive community you could ever work with, then OnlineBusinessApp is where you want to be. Thanks.